are going to IKEA today. Again. Yeah, again. Because the last time we weren't we're eating breakfast. Yeah. So we are gonna go eat breakfast in IKEA, and we are going to go roam around in the mall. So are you excited? Yes! Okay. So the last week we went to IKEA. We went to McDonald's. So please check that video out and like, subscribe. Okay, we are near. There it is. You can see, guys, we are near. And we are going to there after IKEA. Yes, we are going to IKEA. There it is. Brooklyn Mega Store. Yep. Center Point Home Center. So we are going to IKEA. So here's the parking lot. Wee. Speed bump. You can see those holes? Yes. We will tell you if we are inside. But first is her time. Hoy. Hello. Say hello. We are in IKEA. Make your voice louder. Huh? We are in IKEA.
Bye, Jay. Wait.
Darwin, say hi. Hi.
Diet eh.
So here. So I'll tell you the food is.
Grabe, ang ganda ng shoes.
Talagang...
Okay guys, so we are inside the IKEA. And we're at the chairs. And mommy and daddy will order. Yeah, and we'll tell them if the food is here. You still have your pillow on your face. We can to be comfortable. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.